Taking a deep breath in and letting go. Another deep cleansing breath in. Breathing in through the nose, and on the out breath, letting go of any worry, any stress. Breathing in and letting go. And I'd like you to imagine that we are both sitting on the beach, and your in-breath flows in alignment with the waves coming in, and on your out-breath, the waves returning out into the ocean. Breathing in and breathing out. And you can feel the sun on your skin. And you can smell the beautiful, fresh, salty smell of the ocean. And that beautiful water draws you in. You start to make your way towards the ocean. And it has a calming and relaxing effect on your body as soon as that water touches your body. You can feel its coolness, and it completely supports you. You don't feel heavy or uncomfortable. You feel your body gently flowing, connecting with the ocean. And everything starts to soften. Your muscles, your body starts to feel calmer and more relaxed as the ocean supports you and calms you. And a beautiful ripple effect occurs as that beautiful flow of the ocean creates a flow within your inner being, connecting with the rhythm of your breath, your heart. And you start to feel one with all things, not separate or alone, but completely supported and nourished. And a sense of calmness returns into every cell of your being. And we affirm now, and we see in front of us a single cell reflected from your body. And as you gaze into that cell, our intention is to see that the air element, the water element, the earth element, and the fire elements are balanced perfectly within your cells. Each element working with each other to find perfect equilibrium and peace and calmness. One not overpowering another, but all elements coming into perfect and divine alignment. Allow that cell that was once reflected outside of your body to return into the flow of your system, reminding the other cells of equilibrium and balance. Every cell communicating with each other. Every cell returning to a point of balance. '. . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Imagine now we sit within your emotional field and allow the emotional field to feel calm and soft and buoyant. Allow your emotions to flow. Allow the water to teach you that ebb and flow runs through all things in life. Allow your emotions to soften, to calm, until that field is like a beautiful, smooth, calm ocean. But it is your mind that needs the comfort at this time. For there are many thoughts and feelings that have arisen over the last month. Allow yourself to be the powerful, beautiful being that you are. Allow yourself to gently connect with your mind and your thoughts. Allow every neural pathway to hear, value, and align with these thoughts. I am powerfully positive. I am caring and compassionate. I am loving. And I love myself so deeply and dearly that I allow myself to flow, to give and receive in every moment. There is no resistance. My body is like a wave in the ocean, flowing inward and outward, filled with love and compassion for myself and all those around me. I feel this flow, and I know that I am ready to release and to receive. There is nothing in my way. I am brave and I am courageous. I am determined and I am self-assured that my destiny is joyful, peaceful, calm, relaxing. I am the creator of my reality. I am loved and I am safe. And these words start to transform and transmute the old neural pathways from a darkish cloudy colour to a bright, beautiful pink. And I call forth now all the beautiful rainbow lights, your angels, your masters, your wise ones, to support and love you on your journey forward. So you can feel completely supported, loved and nurtured, cared and kind. All around you now, beautiful angelic beings, beautiful rainbow colours, and rainbow colours flowing through your DNA. See yourself blossoming and blooming and shifting and changing with the effortless motion of the waves in the ocean. Everything will happen in perfect and divine timing. allowing yourself to rest. In the beautiful arms of your angels. From my heart to yours, beautiful soul. You are not alone. There is no separation. Taking a deep breath in and letting go. And so it is.